Now I'm ready.
Let's do it. Geez, after watching that, I feel bad for you. Welcome to Full Throttle Off-Road. Look at this absolutely sexy machine. I still, every time I look at these things, I'm speechless, as you can tell. Yeah, I have a smile on my face every time I look at it now.
Let's be honest. How often have you just sat out here in this barn, cracked a couple cold ones, and just stared at this thing? If you had to quantify it in time, like hours?
Hours, probably. Yeah.
We keep going back to, I feel like we've learned a lot from the time when I hit a tree. Yeah, I think it really brought us around. So one of the last garage videos we did, we put a front bulkhead from Geyser on it.
Hey!
One thing that Keith mentioned in that video where I hit that tree.
We might have to throw some bumpers on these things, maybe. Something to think about.
Think
maybe.
so?
Maybe, I don't know. We could look at them.
And I think Keith looked at bumpers.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we have here is
HMF.
HMF. I run their exhaust. I happen to think that it's probably one of the most aesthetically pleasing and sounding exhausts.
I didn't want something that came way off, and I'm hoping that it seems like it's going to be a nice tight fit around the front to where it's not going to be sticking out away from it. So
yeah, and so this particular bumper has a bulkhead built into the back of it, so it should be relatively very similar, I guess, to what we did last week when we replaced the bulkhead on mine.
Yeah. And this thing it's pretty heavy.
Yeah.
It's pretty heavy.
And it has a spot to mount a light bar right on the top.
Yep.
And it looks like, yeah, you can mount a winch on it. So it's got a place to run a winch through the skid plate here.
Yep. We will not be putting winches on these cars.
No?
I don't think so. No.
No, probably not.
No. It's not needed. I put a winch on my old Can-Am. I had the Can-Am Maverick Max, the old school one. And I got stuck one time with it. So the next weekend I put a $600 winch on it or something. Never used the winch. So we're not putting winches on these things.
One of the things I'm most excited about today is I'm not the one that's really wrenching a whole lot. So I'm gonna, cheers guys. Enjoy the show. How you feeling about it?
I'm gonna be right there with you.
Oh, one of the guys on our last wrenching video says that he likes to measure how difficult a task is. By beers? By beers.
I read that, yeah.
Well, I'm already at 1 and I haven't even gotten started, so.
Yeah, it might be a 12er.
Let's just jump into it.
Comes with instructions, obviously. But you have to drill some holes in the plastic on it. And they give you little diagrams. We have to cut these out. So it's super easy, cut them out, put them up here on the front. And kind of reflector, it goes like this. You just drill a hole in there. I'll probably do that first. Cut these out, drill some holes, and yeah, there we go.
Wait, you didn't give your famous last words.
Oh, it shouldn't be that hard.
That's a nice hole.
Yeah, no going back now.
Yeah.
Go big or go home.
So, hold on, wait a minute, wait. So, you didn't want to use a baby drill? A baby drill?
We're gonna try this.
It's gonna take you longer to get that new drill set up than it would take you just to use the baby drill to drill the hole.
It's not the point, is it?
So now the front clip comes off.
Yes, front clip. It's gonna come off.
So
you have to one camera setup?
I'm going to, but you need to first engage it. Time lapse engage.
Yeah, time lapse engaged. Now.
So anybody keeping score? Getting the front clip off is apparently a one beer task. So how are we gonna test this? Are you gonna take this thing outside and slam it into a tree?
No.
No? Come on, be a team player.
Yeah, I am. If it happens, it happens. I'm not gonna do it on purpose.
Hey, I hear if you use a flathead screwdriver, those are pretty easy to get out. That's not nearly as fun as using a flathead screwdriver and a hammer. Come on.
It's not all about the fun. We're starting to get some spare parts.
Hey.
Yeah.
20 bucks, PayPal. Sell you a spare bulkhead.
Sold. You convinced me.
No, I meant like you can sell it to somebody who's watching.
No, yeah, probably.
If they want a spare red bulkhead, maybe.
Yeah. Why not? There's nothing wrong with it. It's not all bashed in like I've seen in the past.
Camera's off.
Yeah, baby. Last one. So now we'll jack the car up, take some of the pressure off these A-arms.
Be a man, just rip it off.
No.
Just rip it off, come on. Oh! Yeah, that's what's up. There you go, see?
Yeah. Fudge. Okay.
We're probably gonna need to jack it up.
We're still gonna need to jack it up.
To get the new one on.
Yeah.
The tolerance in the holes on these are pretty tight, which is good. You want that. But we're gonna need to take the pressure off the A-arms to get them lined up.
Yep. We are.
Get the bumper. Grab the bumper. Put the bumper up there.
Hey.
Grab the bumper.
I'm gonna go grab the bumper. Oh, it's right here. Super sweet.
I might actually be a little bit jealous of how this thing goes. Now we're starting to get the first glimpse of what this is going to look like on the rig.
Yeah, I think it's going to look good.
I really think so too. You going to put any blue Loctite on those? Yeah.
I don't think I have any.
Eh. You don't push this machine hard enough to need any Loctite.
That's right. I don't know if this is right or not.
Don't the pictures tell you which one goes where?
I looked at all the pictures. I gotta be close. I can't be too far off.
It looks right.
It looks right.
Yeah, it looks right.
Yeah, it looks correct.
Just go with what looks good. So should we put the front fascia back on?
Yeah.
Well, frickin' engage time lapse then. You know how this works?
Do it.
You do it. Engage it. No,
Engage time lapse. I haven't really stepped back and looked at it yet.
Well, do it and tell me what you think.
I think it looks great.
Dude, that's a nice bumper. In terms of bumpers,
Yeah.
this one's, yeah. Dare I say there may be a small, very small, but it's ever present amount of jealousy
Of my bumper?
of your bumper. This is a nice bumper.
Yeah, HMF, they make some good stuff.
But this is just a clean unit. So I mean, you come down here and just look. I mean, it takes the factory OEM bulkhead, which we all know is not very good. It just takes it right out of the equation. It's nice.
I do like that. That looks cool. This thing's really coming together.
Race car.
Race car. Not really, but.
What do you mean not? Look at, you cannot look at this machine and tell me it does not look like a race car.
I do like it, yes. I do like it.
This thing looks like a friggin' race car.
Yeah. Cool.
So all that's left is to put the support brackets in and we're done, right?
Yes, I think so.
So yeah, these little support beams, support
beams.
I was gonna say rods, but
rods?
And beams, it's support rods.
Rods?
Breams.
Breams?
Yeah.
I'll go with that.
Okay. Yeah, they just run through there and then they connect to the chassis back there. Dude, this thing is gonna be stout. I bet you could take a tree down. I think you should try.
You already did that for the both of us.
No, I think you need to demonstrate.
Nobody wants to see that.
No? I beg to differ.
Come on, audience.
You
don't want to see that.
If you were to just take this thing outside and slam it into a tree, you'd probably make some people happy. You might not be included among the happy people.
Right.
You won't be dealing with a scrunched up radiator.
No, I don't think so. I don't plan on hitting anything, but...
Well, you put a bumper on for the unplanned. I didn't plan on hitting that tree.
I know it.
Job's done.
Job is done.
So what? 2.5 beers? I mean, that's...
Yeah, this is my second one.
This is a little lackluster.
Yeah.
So maybe I'll convince you to go out in your yard and do something silly.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay, that's what we'll do then. But before we get there, honest thoughts, honest feedback. Tell the people what they came to hear.
Yeah, I think this is great. The install was super, super easy. The hardest thing was putting these support rods on, which it gets a little tight down where it mounts back here to the frame, but yeah, I think this is awesome. Looks good. Yeah. Super easy to install.
It looks really, really nice, definitely, and I like the ability to add on stuff right here. I mean, you got
holder.
You got a beer holder.
Yep.
It looks good, and it seems to be extremely functional. I have a feeling you're going to be able to absorb some impact.
Yeah. Yep.
Because we all know how much. Geez, after watching that, I feel bad for you.
What was that? Sleep. Sleep.
What are you gonna do for us? You can do some acrobatics, some tricks, you can do some burnouts?
I don't know.
Come on, tear up your yard.
I'm not gonna do that much.
Man, this thing does look freaking nice though. It is a pretty unit. Yeah, I'm not gonna tear up my yard, he says. So much for that. Oh. No F's given. That was awesome.
How's that?
He says, I'm not going to tear up my yard. Freaking hole shots
I
it.
didn't do that much. These tires are pretty bold.
Yeah?
Yeah. I'm going to go climb up those rocks.
Alright. Oh, this looks interesting.
I don't think I can go up any higher, can I?
Yeah, I mean, if you wanted to, you could get on that rock if you really wanted to. Go, get up there. You're almost there. A little more. A little more. There you go. You. Oh my gosh. Oh, what's that like in there? A little weird.
Like the front's a little light. Am I gonna hit? Am I gonna hit?
I don't know. Inch up there. It's close.
Huh?
It's close, but you might be able to do it. That's awesome. Oh, you're close now. Well, I mean, there's one more rock you can get up on if you want to.
Turn that way. There you go.
There, you're all the way up there now. Oh, framed out. Don't go down too fast or you'll chip up that new bumper. Nice. Whoa.
Moving forward. That's it. You're up.
That's quite an incline there. That looks nice. There you go. You didn't even scratch anything.
Good. Front end feels real light on this thing today for some odd reason.
Well, it was 5 feet in the air.
No, I mean when I hit the gas out there, it felt like the front tires are coming right off the ground.
Yeah, that's what the 85 Evo Power will do.
Evo power, baby. Yeah.
Well, there it is. HMF. Frickin' thank you for sending us this bumper. This thing is a wonderful piece of art. Seriously, it is a nice unit. What do you think?
I think it looks awesome. The more I look at it, the more that bumper's just looks like it was supposed to be there. So.
Hell yes. Well, we'll put a link in the description below if you guys want to take a look at this bumper. It comes in 2 different colors. Yeah. I don't really know what else to say.
Yeah, if you like what we're doing, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.
We will see you next time.
Feels like I'm back in school.
Where you going?
Oh, get some safety glasses.
What? You're gonna what? What did you say?
Safety glasses.
Wait a minute, those don't belong here. It's like you care about your eyes or something?
Okay, so it's going?
Yeah.
Okay. I got down this side, buddy. You want me to move? Yep.
Say please.
Thank you.
Don't snap it. You remember how easy it was for me to snap mine.
I'm not as tough as you. Speed wrench.
You're pretty good with that right hand.
Oh yeah, you should see me with my left. Can you hand me that?
What?
I'll get it. I'll get it. No move. I got it. What?
Dang! You got a big head there.
She said it.
I don't think I think she's talking about your beard head.
Nah, I'm gonna go with my gut on that one.
$20 PayPal.